Hey, what's up everybody? This is why I don't go to the Caterpillar dealer, because I can't leave without getting a little Caterpillar swag. All right, so this window does not stay up and the hatchway does not stay up easily. This doesn't stay up at all. Let me show you. It goes back down. All right, and it doesn't go all the way up. So these springs here, one of them is bad. I'm not sure which one. So I actually ordered 4. I ordered the 2 for the glass, right there and there. And I ordered 2 for the hatch. Reason I'm doing this is I'm working on the excavator also, and I'm running into a problem getting the right ones. Well, they were made wrong from the Caterpillar dealer, hence the Caterpillar swag. So they are on special order, but it's going to take like 2-3 weeks. And while I did that, I'm like, you know what? I'm sick of hitting my head on that window and waiting for this to go up and not knowing if it's going to stay up and all that kind of stuff. So I went and ordered the package of all 4 there. So let's replace these. They're quick, simple, easy, and they're actually really cheap. All 4 cost me $50 on Amazon for this. Each one on the excavator cost me, I think, $90. And they're almost the exact same thing, just different ends, different pressures, stuff like that. But you gotta get the ones that fit the actual application that you're using them on. So let's replace these 4. I'll start with a window, make that easy. And we will go from there. See, because I keep hitting my head on it, and I hit my head in the corner a lot of times. So let's get that fixed. So these have a little C-clip right there. Let me zoom in a little bit. So you pull, it looks like you pull the C-clip off, and then this pin will slide through. And then on the bottom, it has, just like on the excavator, it has that metal spring that you pull out and it pops it off the ball. So I got to make sure the new ones that I have for the window are like that. It has this end here. Really hard to see because it's backlit. Let me go from this way. There you go. That's much better. So you got the C-clip on that side. Sorry about the dirty fingernails. I got grease all over working on an engine. And pull the pin out. Looks like there might be a little spacer in there. I'm not sure. I'll have to check. And then down here, just pull that out with a flathead screwdriver or a little poker. Okay, got the long ones, got the short ones. Don't need directions. Oh, already has a spacer in it. And that. Yep. Looks like it's gonna be right. So let me go get the tools I need to do this and some little needle nose pliers to pull that off. I have a little pick here. One thing you gotta remember is when you take this off, the roof is gonna come down, or the glass. So I'm gonna do the top one first, but for the little one, I'm just gonna use this pick. See, and I can just pull it out like that. So I'm gonna leave that there for now. And let's look at the top one. Whew, found it. So some people call them E-clips because it looks like an E, and some people call them C-clips. I like E better because there's your E. So that just pops on there. So now I gotta take that pin off right there. Gotta make sure you don't lose these. They don't come with extra. And I'll lift it up with my head. Let's try not to break the glass. All right, so that one's out. Here's the pin. I have it sitting on it right now. So now I got to move to the bottom one. Here's the bottom one. That clip. Just watch your finger so you don't poke your finger. And I'm holding it up with my head. And there it is. Comes right off. And that one is definitely the one that was doing most of the work. So this is the top, this is the bottom. Let's do the top, well, let's do the bottom first. All you gotta do with that, line it up, push it on. Now you got to go up to the top. And to do the top, lift it up with your head again. Get your spacer in there. Get your pin. You can see the groove on that pin. That's where that E-clip goes. Line it up. Now I gotta get that little clip without dropping it. Here's that little clip. You gotta do this without dropping it somehow. And there. That one's done. Well, with just one replaced, you can already see it goes up a lot faster and a lot higher right off the bat. So let's get this other side done, and then we'll work on the tailgate. Same thing. When you're blind and your hands shake, it really makes it difficult doing these little things. Even with my glasses, I'm doing more of my stuff by feel. All right, that looks like it's in. Much better. All the way up. Yep. Not gonna hit my head on that. Perfect. Now let's do the ones on the door. This is a lot heavier, so we gotta be careful with this one. So we got two. Well, the good thing is they're all the same. They're the ball and socket style. So these both have top and bottom have the ball and socket. So these are going to be a little bit easier to get off and put back on. But the problem is I got to hold this thing up, and it's a lot heavier. Might not be able to do it that easy just with my resting it on my head. We'll try. So because this is going to be heavy, I'm going to make sure I have one all set, ready to go. And let's start down here. I'll pull that keeper off, but I'll keep it on the ball if I can. I'm going to take that metal clip all the way off, so that way I could just pull that off one-handedly, and then see what I could do with this one. That's obviously doing a lot of work. This one's probably the better of the two then. Lift that off, throw that down. This one goes there. This one goes here. Whew. All right, that's one. Let's go to that one. Once again, you can see now where I put the light on it. It's the ball and socket. And what you do is you take your little screwdriver or a pick. See that little spring clip coming out? You just really got to get it off a little bit. But being that I'm going to be doing this one-handedly, I'm going to take it all the way off like that, and it shoots across my driveway. Let me go get that before I run it over and pop a tire. But that will come right off now. And it's the same process for the high side. So I went and got that clip off my driveway, but there it is. That's the clip from the bottom. So now I got to do the top right there. Exact same thing. So let me put the headlamp back on. I'm going to put the new one in my pocket so it's ready to go. And let's see if I can do this. So the most important thing is you don't get hit in the head with this, because this is heavy. So let's put one hand on it, get this up in there like that. I got the other one already in my pocket. Lift some weight off it. The bottom's off, top's off. I'm holding it up. My left hand. This end was up on top. Watch. You get the light on it, and all you do is push. And then turn the piston so the other end lines up, and push. Now you can let go. Whew, that's heavy. All right, let's see how it does. Oh, much faster. Much faster, right up to the maximum height. I don't have to assist it at all. So before I used to have to assist it to get it all the way up, but now it goes all the way up. No problem. So that's fixed. So here are the two old ones for the big ones. And these are the two smaller ones. Oh yeah, I could put that one in. Yeah, see, that's why the window, look. I couldn't do that with new ones. So these lost a little bit of their springiness. I gotta get a windshield wiper. Well, hope that helps everybody, or somebody at least. It's gonna help me a lot without hitting my head on that. And don't forget to like and subscribe. I'm trying to hit that 20,000 subscribers. So any little bit helps. Check out some of my shorts and some of the longer videos, complete random repairs, fixes, and or just around the house or in the garage tinkering. So thanks for watching, and like I said, give me a like and a subscribe if possible. See you on the next video.